Rolling in dust infused with the urine of her prey helps cover her scent. No two hunts at the gully are the same. She must adapt her technique according to the environment. Today, everything's in her favor. There's very little wind. There are no baboon sentries on duty. And most of the impala have their backs to the gully. Sometimes it's good to wait. But today, it's about seizing the opportunity. With her growing success, the hyenas have learned this is the place to come for an easy meal. They're becoming the bane of Olympia.